And you know what I'm saying? They talking about the same exact shit and with the same exact words at the same exact time. He's like, yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's raw though, ain't it? Hey, yo, be on his shit, bro. But I can see what I can see. I know he be making me think about him sometimes and shit he be saying, but he seemed like a real nigga done been to the penitentiary. You know what I'm saying? Also, he done had his hand in his music shit before. Cause ain't no way in hell you playing that. Hey yo, it's your motherfucking theme song, and you ain't paid for that song. But that's his song. And he ain't never came out and said, yeah, that motherfucker was talking about me. But he have mentioned him being in the shit before he went away, though. And not in the sense, he didn't say it like, you know, he went and did no extra shit. He know how to talk. I'm going to say that. He know how to talk. But that motherfucker done did. He was selling dope, went to the pen, came back. Now he trying to get in the game differently. Ain't no trying. He in that bitch. You know what I'm saying? He in that thing. He already in that thing. Fucking 5 months of Big Fat Podcast. He in that thing. You know what I'm saying? And he talking to big niggas and then he talking to little niggas, but he be mentioning shit like he done been places sitting next to motherfuckers. You know what I'm saying? Shit like that. And I'm like, okay, how the fuck you get there though? That's the part he leaving out. Ain't no way you can just come out the penitentiary and end up in these places that these superstars in if you ain't already been there before. Because otherwise they will be tripping on you and you will be fucking news because everybody will be talking about, hey, yo, Conseco, nigga is sitting next to Beyonce. Hey, yo, was talking to Jay-Z. Hey, yo, was, you know what I'm saying? And you not big news for niggas who don't know about you. So that's what make me feel like you done been there already. You were there already. You like Scott Storch, nigga. Before niggas who knew who Scott Storch was. you remember that shit, nigga? Before niggas knew who Scott Storch was? You know who Scott Storch is? Fucking DJ who he do all his beats on the piano. Really? That nigga's a white nigga. Or like a Caribbean nigga or some shit. He not black. Bro, we ain't got no cigars, huh? Ain't nothing in there. I've been holding on to that shit all night, man. Ain't nothing in there.
You been getting up when you went to the blue store?
I did. See? Women brands are awesome. Because I was going to pull out these papers somewhere in here. I know I got some in my backpack. Bam. If you ever need to put something in something, that thing is right there inside of here. You hear me? So anything you put in here, it ain't gonna go through. It's going in that pocket. Look in there. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
There. I took it from right there, as you notice. Yeah, that's just an envelope. Here, break this down, and then stick it in here. Stick the cigar in there. You can put the tobacco in there. Or you can empty, or it don't matter what you do. You put it in this cup, you can put it in a can. I don't care.
So cold and anemic. Suicide doors on the guinea. I looked in the eyes of a demon. Martin Luther think I'm dreaming. We go Freddy Krueger, chopper singing. Got the fuck with the rap like Serena. Ready for the time like this. Boy, panic, make a pattern with the wrist. Big stones, Bugatti the I used to pray for times like this to rhyme like this. So I had to grind like that just to sound like this. I used to pray for the drip. I used to pray for the drip. I used to pray for this shit. I used to pray for this shit. I used to pray for times like this to rhyme like this. So I had to grind like that just to sound like this. Yeah. Back home smoking legal. I got more slaps than the Beatles. Foreign shit running on diesel, dog. Playing with my name, this shit is lethal, dog. Who you see what? Don Corleone. Trust me, at the top it isn't lonely. Everybody acting like they know me, dog. Don't just say it now, you gotta show me what you gotta do. Bring the clip back empty. You asked to see the ball, so they sent me, dog. I just broke her off with a 10-piece, dog. There ain't nothing, I'm just being friendly, dog. Just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't going playing ball, but I'll show you how the fuck you gotta do it. If you really wanna fall till you fall when you're back against the wall. And a bunch of niggas need you to go away. Still going bad on them anyway. Saw you last night, but did it all day. Yeah, a lot of murk caught me in a hallway. But you got a sticky and I keep it at my dog's place. Girl, I left you love it magic, not a all shade. Still going bad on you anyway. I can feel like 80 rats in my Marys. Me and Drizzy back to back is getting scary. If you fucking with my eyes, just don't come near me. Put some bands all on your head like Justin Terry. Whoa. Rich and Millie cause a Lambo. Known to keep the baddest bitches on commando. Every time I'm in my trap, I move like Rainbow. Ain't a neighborhood in Philly that I can't go. For real. She said, oh, you rich. Bitch, I graduated, call me Big Fish. I got Lori Harry on my wish list. That's the only thing I want for Christmas. I been had my way out here, yeah, no, that's facts. You ain't living that shit you said, yeah, we know that's cat. You ain't got the ass in when you see me, no, I'm straight. DTOVO, we back again, going back. Just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just put a Richard on the card. I ain't going playing ball, but I'll show you how the fuck you gotta do it. If you really wanna fall till you fall when you're back against the wall. And a bunch of niggas need you to go away. Still going bad on them anyway. Saw you last night, but did it all day.
Oh, I'm sorry. See, I did it again. I'm sorry. I'm mad because I got to go to another store now. Bastard.